Okay, greetings dear friend. So today right now as you're going to continue with pick microcontrollers, as you can see here the last code we ended the last time is shining a LED at the second pin of our port A. So we're just going to modify right now this code so that we're going to be able to make that same LED blink. That's it, shine, go off, shine, go off, shine, go off. After that we'll be seeing so many other complex projects. So for Arduino, so it's going to continue. So here right now as we started, this is our header file. We set for this already. And here right now we are initializing our terms. That's the status, trace A, the port A. Okay, here right now we have two strangers, count 1 and count 2. So actually for our LED to go on, off, we need delays. So this count 1 and count 2 will permit us to obtain our delays, since you need to count down from 255 to right up to 0. So delays are required. So here right now we're setting our port. We're setting our port from bank 0 to bank 1. For this point was okay. And here right now we send an output to the second pin of port A. And this guy here also is a stranger. This is stat. Yeah, this is a label. So a label permits us to do looping. So we're going to see it after running the code. So it permits us to do looping. That's after the code has completed, you say go to the label. It takes back from the label. After that it goes to the label and so on. So that's the way the looping occurs. So let's proceed with our code. We say it is moving already. Second pin here of port A, high. So we continue somehow. Let's create right now a delay. There should be a delay. Since it's shining right, it will shine for some time and go off. So let's say a delay 1. Since we're going to have 2 delays, so a delay 1. So for this delay 1 right now, we're going to decrement a certain file and skip A0 while we decrement the count. Okay, count 1. We're decrementing count 1 by a value of 1. Since I said already, it's going to decrement from 255 to 0. And from here we'll say enter. Okay, as you can see, count 1 is being decremented. You decrement once, so we're going to have 254. So we need to like make a looping. That's our reason for creating a delay 1. So we're going to say that what go to delay 1. So that's the way the looping functions. So you create a label and after you say go to the label, that's the way the looping function goes in this code here. So we're going to repeat this process. Okay, let's place it out here. Okay, right now repeat this for count 2 too. Okay, that's it. So count 2 also decrement its own and proceed. And after that, after the delay right now, we will need to set our pin back low. That's to cause the LED to go off. To make it go off, you need to set it to low. Okay, there we paste. For it to go right now to low, you need to set all the pins to 00, so none of them get the output. 00 is none of the pin, so none of them will get the output. So right now our pin here is low, that the bulb is not shining at all. From here right now we make another delay. Since the first delay, when the bulb was shining, it delay for some time after it went off. After it is off, it delay again for some time before coming back on. So we're going to do this, place it here, paste. Okay, so somehow this is second delay on its own. This delay 2, so that the names will not be confusing during the looping. Say delay 2 here and it goes to delay 2 here. Okay, so the bulb will go off for some time. So after that time right now, what happens? That's the end of the code. Since right now created already our label here, we're simply just going to see that out. Go to the start. You see, right? So after executing all of this, it goes back to the start where the LED come back on. After all, it delays for some time, it goes off. After off, it delays for some time, it start back the coding. So that's all about the code. We're going to write our N. Okay, as you see, the N can be in caps, it can also be in small letter. So let's somehow save our work. it has been saved. After that, let's build this building. Okay, right now they say build succeeded, meaning there's no error in the code. So after that, right now let's just retain by the name of our file, that's let blink. We get the Proteus. I did already the circuit as last time we saw here. Here's the circuit for last time. So we're just going to upload the code there. Please make sure you look at the steps again for uploading the code. Okay, we get to our desktop. Here is where I save mine. So go to where you saved yours. Okay. Here I have shine LED. Here it is. Let blink X, and I say okay. From there you run. Can you see what's happening right now? That's exactly what we are expecting from the LED, from our coding. So the code is working perfectly. Hope you can see how it's going. Please make sure you do practicals on your own, like make a row of 5 LEDs to shine. Yeah, that's the best way to do your own practicals. As you can see here, we have pin 0, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin that's for port A. For port B right now we have up to pin 8. So make use of all of them. You see that you can connect so many LEDs through it. So thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel so that you see maybe where to use push buttons and on LED using PIC microcontrollers, and maybe to control the DC motor using potentiometer. We're going to see all of that. So keep track by subscribing to the channel. Thanks you guys very much for watching. Thanks. Okay, see you guys next time.